In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an A/B test on your page in HubSpot. Running an A/B test helps you compare two versions of the same page to see which one performs better. Think of it as a controlled experiment. You keep the core content the same, change one element you want to learn about, and let real visitors show you what works. Here's how to get that set up inside HubSpot. Start by opening your browser, going to your search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Use your usual login method and complete any security prompts you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. Next, move your mouse to the left sidebar and locate the content area. This is where your site assets live and where you'll manage your website pages. From there, click Website Pages. You'll see a list of pages connected to your HubSpot CMS, along with their status and performance details. Find and click the specific website page you want to test. It's a good idea to choose a page that already gets consistent traffic and to have a clear goal in mind, like improving click-through on a button or increasing form submissions. Having a simple hypothesis, such as a shorter headline will increase engagement, will make your test easier to interpret later. With the page open in the editor, look to the top right for the search icon. Click it and type the word Run. This quick search filters available actions so you don't have to dig through menus. In the results, click Run A/B Test. HubSpot will prepare the testing workflow for this page so you can create a second version. Now click Create Variation. HubSpot makes a duplicate of your current page, often labeled as Variation B, while your original remains Variation A. This gives you a safe space to experiment without altering the live layout of your original version. Keep your change focused. Adjust a headline, swap a hero image, or refine a call to action, so it's clear which change drives the difference. To review your versions, go to the top left of the editor and click the drop-down that lists the page name. You'll see both variations there. Select each one to preview and confirm you're comparing exactly what you intended. Make sure the labels clearly show which is A and which is B, and verify that everything looks correct before moving forward. That's it. You've set up an A/B test structure for your HubSpot page, created a variation, and learned how to switch between versions so you can continue refining with confidence.